Search for @controllerbot, link in description.
I do the things that I never thought I would do.
Number 1, click on New Post, then click Add Channel. Number 2, click on @FatherBot to create a bot.
Should I love if it makes you do stupid things? Should I love away on nights?
Number 3, click on New Bot.
And now I'm compelled.
Number 4, write any name, e.g. inline button.
'Cause now I just feel like a stranger.
Number 5, write any username, e.g. prevailing inline bot.
Don't recognize who I am anymore. I can't ignore just how much I feel like a stranger.
Number 6, copy the token code and paste on the controller bot. Number 7, add the new bot you created as an admin of your channel.
No, I am not okay. Tell me, how did I find myself in this mess? How can you be both the worst and the best? Feels like I'm drowning, my heart is pounding. This is why I am compelled to run and hide in my shell. 'Cause now I just feel like a stranger. My antidote puts me for danger. I don't recognize who I am anymore. I can't ignore just how much I feel like a stranger. I lost myself waiting for stranger. I don't even know.
Number 8, forward a message from the channel to the controller bot.
Should I love her? No, I just feel like a stranger.
Number 9, write your present city, e.g. Lagos, Nigeria.
Don't recognize who
Number 10, if the city is correct, click on yes, it's right. Number 11, it's done now. You can now create a post. Number 12, create a post of your choice.
What am I last night? I don't know anymore. Is this love? Is this love? I do the things that I never thought I would do. I didn't think love would turn me into a fool. I cannot help myself. It's way too much for my mental
Number
health.
13, so to create a link button, click on a
Should I
URL
love
button.
if it makes
Number
you do
14, put
stupid
any link you want,
things?
e.g.
Should I love
subscribe,
all
h
night
prevailing
memories
div.
in your dreams, and now I'm compelled to run and hide in my shell. 'Cause now I just feel like a stranger. My antidote puts me for danger. I don't recognize who I am anymore. I can't ignore just how much I feel like a stranger. I lost myself waiting for danger. I don't even know where I stand anymore. Is this love? No. And why am I looking? No, I am not okay. Tell me, how did I find myself in this mess? How can you be both the worst and the best? Feels like I'm drowning, my heart is pounding.
Thank you. Leave a comment below.